Therefore, brothers, by the mercies of God, I urge you to present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your spiritual worship. Do not be
conformed to this
age, but be transformed by renewing of your mind,
so that
you may
discern what is
good, pleasing, and perfect will of God.
For by the
grace given to me, I tell one another
among you
not to think of himself more highly than he should think,
but think
sensibility
as God
has given
a measure
of faith
to
each one.
Romans 12
1, 2,
2.
3.
Good job, Sharon.